This Yamarita recipe will leave you longing for more because it is super crunchy on the outside and so soft on the inside, yet flavorful and very, very tasty. Hey my lovelies, welcome to Subby's Kitchen. If you're new here, please subscribe and let's jump straight into the video. So you want to get your yam and you want to cut your yam into big slices like I'm doing here. So this is how I cut my yam, quite big like you can see, and then you want to peel the yam skin from the yam. So go ahead and cut your yam into bite sizes and still maintain that chunkiness like I did here. Rinse your yam properly, and into a clean pot you want to pour in adequate amount of water, and then go ahead and add in your already cut yam into this water like you see here in this video. After you've put all your cut yam into your water, go ahead and add in salt. I added in sugar, which is highly optional. If you don't want it, you can skip it. Then go ahead and add in butter. I actually added a little bit more than what you saw in this video. Cover your pot and allow this yam to cook until it is soft. You know, I said that you want your yam to be soft, and because of that you are going to pop your yam in your fridge for like about 15 to 20 minutes or until it is cooled down, right? So into a clean bowl you want to add in your flour, your white pepper, your Suya spice, your chili powder, whatsoever seasoning you want for your Yamarita, cutting. Go ahead and add it to this flour, but don't worry, I'm going to list every single thing that I used in this video in the description, so do well to check it and let me know if you have any questions so far. I'm ready to respond to you ASAP. I added in black pepper because I'm a Yoruba babe and I really love spice. So go ahead and properly mix this combination together, and now into another bowl you're going to crack in your eggs. Depending on the quantity of the yam you are doing, you can use less or more eggs, but because I'm doing quite a number, I used 3 eggs, cracked in 3 eggs. I added in spring onions for that little pop of color, and some dry parsley flakes. You can skip all this, trust me, it's very, very optional. And I added in white pepper and skipped salt. Why you don't see me using salt right here is because white pepper already has that saltiness in it, so I don't really use too much of salt in my food. So here it goes, guys. So now for the fun part, you want to dip your yam in your flour, then into your egg, and then back into your flour. Then you pop it in your hot oil and then you fry. thing you should take note of while frying your yamarita is that you don't want your oil to be very hot, because your yam is already cooked or very properly cooked. So you don't want it to be too hot. You just want to put your heat on a medium heat and then pop in your coated yam and let it fry properly. And trust me guys, it's going to come out so crunchy on the outside and then soft and buttery on the inside. You want to give this a try, and if you have not subscribed until now, what are you waiting for? Please click that subscribe button and tell me in the comment section below that you've subscribed to this channel, and I'm going to say a very big thank you for your love and your support. Let me know if you like this video by liking the button so that it can encourage me to do more. Just by the looks of it, this is already giving crunchy vibes now. I know we properly cooked the yam, so you can just imagine with the flavors that we incorporated in that flour. This is going to be the best yamarita you've ever tried. Let me know if you'll be giving this a try in the comment section below. And just watch as I'm beautifully plating this gorgeous looking yamarita with its sauce. Let me know if you want me to do a video on how I made this banging sauce for your yamarita. Trust me, you will not try any other sauce apart from this one. It's that good. It's that good. It's that good, lovelies. Open your mouth, say ah. Oh god, this thing was really very tasty. Can you see how easy it was to bite into? Guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. You are supporting me and I'm super grateful. Let me know what recipe you would like to see on my page, and you can check out my Instagram at Subby's Kitchen. Give me a follow there and let's talk and build a community together. You can also watch right up there my grilled fish recipe. Trust me, it's a banger. See you in my next video, lovelies. Have a great weekend.